water.
The rock is bubbling. If you keep it like that, you can watch him. Stop.
He's a pretty.
He is so fast.
He's too quick for a snail. Even Splash, he is the slowest.
I can't believe how fast he is. He's working his way back up.
Yeah, he's like a race snail.
Oh.
God, look at him. He's too quick as a snail.
I think he's too good to be a pet. Because he's getting out.
No. Let's keep him as a pet. Oh my God, look at him. Oh my God. He's the fastest snail in the whole wide world. Oh my God, he's too quick as a snail. I'll get another walk.